Bholi looked at the teacher's face. There was a question mark on her face that really I would be able to speak like normal people. Is it true? So yes, it will be very easy. You just come to school every day, and your whole problems are going to wipe out from your life. So she said, "Will you come every day to school?" Then Bholi said, "Okay, yes." Didn't yet Bholi herself was astonished that she had been able to say it. So Bholi said, yes. She twice or thrice she stammered and then she speak out the yes. And that moment when she said yes at a single attempt, again she was astonished. Again she was surprised at her own act. Look, she was already improving at the very first day of the school. So didn't tell you, now take this book. So she gave one book to the Bholi, and Bholi opened up that book. What was there inside? This book was full of more pictures like that she saw in the classroom, like A B C D, A for apple, B for boy. There was a picture of dog, cat, goat, cow, horse, parrot, tiger, and cow was just like Lakshmi. With every picture was a word in big black, and Bholi is illiterate. She don't know the meaning of that A, B. So teacher told her that you will be able to read out all these black letters that you are watching in this book. You will be able to read out, and I will tell you. I'll teach you. In 1 month, you will be able to read this book. Then afterward, I will give you one more good book, and then bigger book I'll give you. Then more bigger books I'll provide you. In time, you will be more learned and than anyone else in the village. And at a time when you will learn all those books that I'm going to give you will be a scholar. You will be a literate girl, and as comparison to the any other people in the village. So she was happy. The teacher gave her dreams, and now Bholi was dreaming, assuming her life like a girl that is the girl that is grown up, girl who is not stammering, girl who is behaving properly. So all those dreams were lined up in her life or in her mind. So then I will give you bigger book. In time, you will be able to learn more than any other people in the village. Then no one will ever be able to laugh at you because nowadays, what was her situation? Everybody used to laugh at her, making fun of her, mimicking her. Even she was bullied at her own house. So people will listen to you, and with respect, they will listen to you. They will come to you for the help, and you will be able to speak without the this stammering thing. So understand now. You go home and come back early tomorrow morning at the school timings. So Bholi was happy. Teacher gave her hope. Now her whole life was going to brighten up. Bholi felt as if suddenly all the bells in the village temple were ringing. So it was a movie scene, like जैसे कुछ बहुत अच्छा हो जाता है ना. So you're seeing light everywhere. Songs are buzzing. You are surrounded by the flowers, light. ठीक है. So she was so happy. So it was the whole scenario was changed at that moment. So she was thinking, but the moment she was feeling at that moment, due to the happiness, everything in that school or village, everything was like a lightning for her. Enlightened, her whole life was enlightened at that moment. So she was it was like Gurdeep, what happened? Time is 12:25. So Bholi felt as if suddenly all the bells in the village temple were ringing for her, and the trees in the front of the schoolhouse had blossomed. Trees were seeming like a big red, blue, or yellow flowers into the big red flowers. Her heart was throbbing with a new hope and a new life. Her heart was throbbing, her heart was bursting, beating very loudly with the hope of a new life. So thus the years passed. Bholi started going to school. She learned a lot there. The village became a small town. The village also developed by the years, and now it was not a village. It was a small town. Little bit development happened there. Little primary school became the high school, and there was now a cinema under a shed and a cotton ginning mill. Ginning mill, the cotton factory. It was also established in the village. The mail train began to stop at their railway station. Mail train, that posters or that letters and postcards that people used to send here and there. Now the mail train also used to stand on that village, because now it was not a village, it was a town. So one night after dinner, Ramlal said to his wife, then shall I accept the Bishambar's proposal? So what kind of proposal he was discussing with the with her wife? It was it was a wedding. It was a wedding proposal that was given by Vishambarnath. Vishambarnath.
Yes.
So yes, certainly his wife said Bholi will be lucky to get such a well-to-do bridegroom, such a prosperous, such a wealthy offer we have got for the Bholi. So why to say no? This one is really good, and nobody is going to certainly come to marry Bholi. And the main thing, moreover, the main and the most important thing, Bishambar.
Didn't know about her.
December was very old, ma'am, as right now. And their age was the same, ma'am. He was of Ram.
No, he was not.
Didn't know about Boli.
Yes, ma'am. what they
He was
said.
not knowing anything about the Boli. He was totally unaware the nature of the Boli, his behavior, her behavior, the poke marks. He was a well-to-do, wealthy Jamidar of the village. And third important factor that he did not demanded dowry from the Ramlal. So three factors were really very important. He was wealthy, prosperous, and then he was not knowing about the Bholi's pokemarks and her behavior. And the third one is he did not demanded any dowry from the Ramlal. So wife, she tried to persuade Ramlal. Ramlal was a little bit in a dilemma, in a stuck-up situation, what to do. Vishambarnath, that proposal was good, but the age that matters a lot, that because Vishambarnath and Ramlal, the father of the Bholi, their
40, 50.
age was same. So he was in a dilemma about that thing. So wife said a big shop he owned, a house he had, his own, and I hear several thousands are lying in the bank. So several thousand money he had cash. So moreover, he is not asking for any dowry. So these things are really important. Why to say no to Bishambarnath? Let's do this, because afterward, I think so we are not going to get any proposal for the marriage of Bholi. So that's right, but he is not so young. You know, almost the same age as I am. So the age of the Bishambarnath was just like same age of the Ramlal, the father of Bholi. And he also limps. Limps means he also limps. लिम्पिंग करना, लड़खड़ाना, चलते हुए लंगड़ा के चलना,
Lagada.
not able to walk properly, लंगड़ा कह सकते हैं, हाँ, ठीक है. He was not able to walk properly. He also limping. So moreover, the children from his first wife are quite grown up. So he was a widower. His first wife children also grown up like similar age to Bholi. So what does it matter? Wife said, फिर क्या हो गया? What does it matter? His wife replied, 45 or 50. It is no great age for the man. We are lucky that he is from another village. और दूसरी बात that we have discussed, he is from another village. He is not aware about the Bholi's unconscious that mind or behavior. And another thing, he is not demanding dowry. So, and he is not aware about the poke marks of the Bholi's face. She's lack of sense. He is not aware about this. If we do not accept this proposal, so they were thinking this will be the last one proposal that we are getting. So please accept this proposal at the moment. She may remain unmarried all her life. So she was really not in the mood to lose that chance, Bishambar's proposal. Yes, but I wonder what Bholi will say. So mother said, Bholi, what she'll say? Have you ever heard her voice in the house? So what she'll say? What will that witless one say? Witless means that foolish, that fool,
Idiot.
that idiot, stupid. What she'll say? She's a dumb cow. She is not speaking at all in the house. So what she will say? Maybe you are right. Muttered Ramlal. Muttered means he was a little bit, still he was in a dilemma. What to do finally? So he muttered in a low voice that he was really dissatisfied from this offer. But he was in that situation that
Neither reject.
provoked by the wife. So he just muttered in a very low voice, just like he was not willing to do. In another corner of the courtyard, Bholi lay awake on her coat. Coat means वो खाट जिस पे village के लोग सोते हैं ना, है ना. So Bholi, she lied awake. She heard everything. Now she was grown up and she was able to understand everything deeply. She was listening the conversation of the father and mother, and inner side of her heart, she was ready to do marriage with the Bishambarnath, just for the sake of father and mother. So Bholi lay awake on her cot, listening to the parents' whispering conversation. She heard everything, and internally she was ready. So Bishambarnath was a well-to-do grocer. He came with a big party of friends and relatives to do the marriage with Bholi, and a brass band playing a popular tune from Indian film headed the procession. Procession वो मार्च निकालता है ना, मार्च पास दूल्हा बैठता है, वो सड़कों पे निकलते हैं लोग, मार्च ही होती है एक तरह से, परेड कह दो, मार्च कह दो, प्रोसेशन सेरेमनी, बारात, हाँ, बैंड बाजा बारात, that was going on. Relatives were there, family members were there, they were dancing, and Bishambarnath was on the course. ठीक है, whole bridegroom he was decorated, तो पूरा वो फिल्मी मूवी सीन चल रहा था. लाइक रामलाल was overjoyed to see the pomp and the splendor. So Ramlal was so happy because Bishambarnath brought a very good people, all were dressed up, and band baja was also there. They were playing the tune of the Hindi movie. So everything, the decoration was so good. It was so pumping that he was so felt happy that my Bholi got this offer from the Bishambarnath. So Ramlal was overjoyed. He was so internally happy to see such pomp and such splendor. He had never dreamed that this fourth daughter would have such a grand wedding. So that is why he was happy that finally Bholi was going to get married, and moreover she was getting married to a wealthy person. So Bholi's elder sister, who had come for the occasion, because वो शादी में आते हैं, all the relatives used to come at our own house. So Bholi's elder sister, they all were present, and they all were feeling jealous from that after watching that barat and people and other things. So they all were envious. They all were jealous of Bholi's luck. They all were thinking Bholi is really so lucky to have Bishambarnath as a husband. No, 2-3 lines are here. बेटा सिलेबस बहुत बड़ा है हमारा. ग्रामर नहीं, अभी चैप्टर है वो सबोनेट बनाना, वो भी कंप्लीट करना है. And time is 34. We have time, Richard. Will 40 we will do 5 minutes more. Pay attention, everyone. At back, students, come on. So when the auspicious moment came, the priest said, auspicious moment, when that fera, that ceremony, wedding ceremony, that was about to start, the priest of the that ceremony, he said, bring the bride. So he said, bring the bride, and Bholi clad in a red silk sari. Bholi wrapped herself in a red silk sari for the ceremony, and she was led to the bride's place and near the sacred fire. Sacred fire, हवन जहाँ पे होता है. So garland the bride. The first ceremony was to garland the bride and then bridegroom. So that ceremony was about to take place. One of his friends prompted Bishambarnath. So he said, come on, garland the bride. First of all, you are male. It's your turn to garland the bride, first of all. So the friend of the Bishambarnath, they were prompting him, come on, you garland the bride first. The bridegroom lifted the garland of yellow marigold. Yellow marigold, वो गेंदे का फूल, marigold. So a woman slipped back the silken weave from the bride's face. So the moment he was about to garland the bride, one of the lady, she pulled down the wheel of Bholi. Wheel मतलब घूंघट, जो गाँव में करते हैं बड़ा सा सिलाई, है ना? So she pulled down the wheel of the Bholi, and that moment saw Bishambarnath, the face of the Bholi, full of poke marks. He stood, he freezed at that moment. He was about to garland her, but still, at that moment, he was horrified with the look. He was really staring at the look of the Bholi, and then he freezed at that moment. He stopped himself, and the garland remained poised in his hand, and the bride slowly pulled down the wheel over her face. And Bholi, she again veiled herself, she again covered her face. So here Bishambarnath, he was now aware about the poke marks of the Bholi. He saw her face. So have you seen her? Said Bishambar to the friend next to him. So friends, Bishambar Na's friends were also there. She has poke marks on her face. So he said, Bishambar Na, that have you seen Bride's face? Her face was full of poke marks. So many marks were there on her face. So what? You are not going. You are not also young either. So friend replied, भाई उसके poke marks है ना. Look at yourself. You are also not young. Your age is just like her father's age. So maybe, but if I am to marry her, her father must give me 5,000 rupees. So that moment he made a plan advertently that if I am going to marry her, because this was the moment to catch the opportunity. So he said, if I have to marry this girl, I need right at this moment 5,000 rupees. बिल्कुल like पुरानी फिल्मों का scene. बिल्कुल. So maybe, so she said Ramlal went and placed his turban. So Ramlal, he was not out of cash at that moment because already he spent a lot of money on Boli's marriage. So what he did,
Good for the turbo.
what he did, बिल्कुल फिल्मी पुरानी movies
Yes.
He kept his turban on Bishambar Nath's feet. Said, this is here I'm just giving, I have given you everything. Right now, at this moment, I do not have 5,000 rupees. So please do not refuse this marriage and this proposal. So his honor, so he said, this is my turban, this is my honor, yahi meri izzat hai. So Bishambar Street, do not humiliate me, do not embarrass me in front of the whole village, whole town is here. Take 2,000 rupees, maybe rest of the money I will give you later. Right now, please do not do this. So no, he said no, 5,000 rupees I need right now. And we go back, keep your daughter. He said, अपने पास रखो, we are going back. I don't want to do the marriage with this Pokma girl. So be a little considerate. Considerate, थोड़ा हमारा ध्यान दे थोड़ा सा इस मामले में. Please, if you go back, then I can never show my face to any town people or any village people. So please do not do this. Then out of 5,000, I can't arrange right at that moment 5,000 rupees. Tears streaming down, tears rolling down from his face, cheeks. Ramlal went in, opened the door, whatever the cash was available at his house, he collected everything and he placed the whole money on Bishambar Nath's feet. He said, whatever I have, this is the money, take it and please do this, please complete this ceremony. So Bishambar's greedy face was now happy because what he did, it was a triumphant smile. He was thinking that I just tried to cash or I just tried to grab this opportunity and he was succeeded to grab the opportunity because he right now collected the whole money that Ramlal was having and he had gambled and won. So he had gambled means he played the game and he won. Okay.
मैं थोड़ा सा मैं आपको और पे बता दूंगा
हाँ ठीक है. So give me the garland, he announced. So let me take the attendance, otherwise my mobile will go switch off. So we have Afreen, Ayush, Ayushi, Chahat, Janvi, Mannat, Navjot, Parth, Riya, Siddhant, and Vishesh. Okay, students. Okay, attendance I have taken, guys. Rest of the chapter we'll do tomorrow. Few points are left that we will complete tomorrow. It's about बहुत थोड़ा सा रहता है.
Okay.